One of the biggest unknowns when adventuring in the outdoors is the weather. It can change fast in New Zealand, from sun to snow, especially in the hills and even in summer. An essential part of your trip planning is knowing the weather forecast for the duration of your trip. You'll need to consider this when choosing where to go and when. Chester is a meteorologist from MetService who's kindly invited us in to teach us what to look for in a forecast.
That's right, so come on in and I'll show you around.
Wow, it's quite the setup in here, Chester.
Yeah, everyone and everything in here are working to provide the most accurate forecast possible. That way you can be prepared before you head out and you can just enjoy the outdoors.
Okay, so when we're looking at a weather forecast for our trip, where do we start?
Start with our website. You can start at the mountain forecast, the national park forecast, or the rural forecast for the region you're heading into. These are forecasts produced by our team here, and they will tell you what conditions to expect. Pay special attention to any weather warnings or watches.
Okay, so what other information should we pay careful attention to?
Be sure you're aware of the summary of the weather of the day ahead in our text forecast. That's produced by our team of forecasters. There are also computer models that produce useful information like the freezing level. This is the height above sea level that the air temperature reaches 0 degrees. It's especially important to check this to see if any rain will fall as snow near this level. Next, you want to look at the wind speed. How strong is the wind and what direction is it coming from? This will help you work out if you will be exposed to any strong winds on your trip and where you will be sheltered from it all. If you have cold temperatures and wind, this could be an exceptionally dangerous combination due to wind chill. The next thing to look at is the precipitation amount. This will let you know how much rain to expect, if any at all. Heavy downpours or thunderstorms can make rivers and streams rise rapidly, and this is when people get caught out. There's a wind chill temperature on the website as well. Wind will zap heat out of your body, leaving you exposed to temperatures that you might not have anticipated. Check this temperature so you know how many layers of clothing you should wear, and if you need your woolly hat. It is important to be adequately prepared. All these together make up your forecast.
That's really helpful. Thanks, Chester. Now that we know how to read a weather forecast, keep yourself updated and change your plans according to the expected weather conditions.
That's right, before you head out, check out the forecast at MetService.com.